Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here again. Welcome to the 7th video lecture of class 3 maths. So today I will be addressing a very important topic like adding or subtracting the decimals, because you guys have similar problems on page number 123 and onwards. So after this lecture I hope you are able to solve these problems. Like the first one here is 15.25 and 3.25. Now the key here for solving these problems is to place the decimal places perfectly, like 15.25, and now we have to write the other value here according to the decimal place. Like if we place the decimal of 3.25 here, then 25 will be written here and 3 will be here. Now it is a addition problem, so 5 and 5 makes 10, 0 here and 1 will be carried. 2 and 2 makes 4 and 1 5. Now for the decimal place we have to place uh, decimal point here. Now 5 and 3 makes 8 and 1 will be written as it is. It was the first addition problem. Now for the subtracting problem we have 19.21, which is minus by or subtracted by 17.18, 18 actually, not 18. Now we have to subtract, we can't actually subtract 8 from 1 because it's a smaller value, so we have to take a carry from here. It makes 11. Now if we subtract 8 from 11, it gives us 3, and if we minus 1 from 1, it gives us 0. Now for the decimal place point here, if we minus 7 from 9, it gives us 2, and that's actually the answer. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So attempt the problems from page number 23 to onward, and until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.